Stuck with a broken down vehicle and missing lucrative trips? Every driver's nightmare. Is having multiple vehicles the solution or just another headache? Stay with us to discover how to optimize your fleet, increase your earnings, and reduce downtime. We'll explore the hidden benefits of having multiple vehicles under ClickChauffer's umbrella. Imagine Ahmed, a private driver for 5 years, whose day is ruined by an unexpected breakdown. He is not going to be able to work today. As his vehicle sits idle, the trips and with them his daily earnings have just vanished. At ClickChauffeur, we understand the challenges faced by private drivers. Our online booking module has already transformed the day-to-day lives of hundreds of drivers, offering them more clients and simplifying their business management. First advantage of having multiple vehicles: flexibility and continuity. With ClickChauffeur, you can easily manage your fleet to ensure constant availability for clients without fear of breakdowns. Second advantage: service diversification. Offer different types of vehicles for different client needs, thereby increasing your appeal and potential earnings. You also get more chance to make loyal clients because you are able to fulfill their specific needs. They will remember you. Third advantage: cost optimization. Through our module, schedule your vehicle's maintenance without overlaps and maximize your profits. Let's dive into the ClickChauffeur module. Here, you can easily add or manage multiple vehicles. Simply go to the fleet management, click Add Vehicle, and enter the vehicle details. You can set availability, maintenance schedules, and even customize services for each vehicle. This streamlines your operations and keeps you ready for any client need. Overlooking the opportunity to diversify could leave you behind. Don't let the fear of management prevent you from seizing the competitive edge ClickChauffeur offers. Thank you for following along. Don't wait to energize your driving business. Claim your 14-day free trial now and discover how ClickChauffeur can transform your enterprise. Talk to you very soon.